Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known and learn about animations in HTML5 form using CSS3 new feature. What is animations? Do you know about animations? Yes, animation lets an element regularly change from one style to another style and one form to another form. It will be rotate like this. And this is the transition. You can change as many CSS properties you want to use and apply many you want. Using CSS animation, you must first specify some keyframes for the animation to apply, which element to animate. That is also you know that which ID we are going to applying CSS things, class and ID. The same way we have to apply the here also. The keyframe hold styles element will be in a certain times. Like say here, I'll be give you like a simple super excited example here, like taking one element of paragraph of let us see, this is the div tag, like I'm taking here with the paragraph, the copy. Now where it is, yes, I have to remove the existing code. Yes, now see here, this is the example does not work in lower versions of web browsers. Whenever I'm seen and whenever I have a choices and chance to tell you the things, I'm clearly explaining. These are the modern browser techniques where you have to update your browser or you try to use latest browsers. So called it will be works perfectly. Now, see here, very simple keyframes about to discuss about our introduction. This lecture, like the keyframes about the box, how it would be. Like 0% background color, it would be like this. And percentage when it is increasing, background color would be changes to yellow, on blue, green, red. Likewise, it will be the animation will go. And how my div tag would be, like this div tag should be like this. Width is this, height is this, background color is brown, and the position is relative, and the animation name is box, and animation duration is 4 seconds, and you can also change this all the things. Now save the simple technique and we'll run it. Now refresh the form. Wow! We have learned the animation in CSS3 as well. See that still I have a given for animation running for 4 seconds. It is a keep on rotating with the circle of the anti, like a clockwise, it is rotating with 4 seconds of waiting for all circle. And the variations you may observe that key features how we have written here. If you want to change the features of rotations and animation, change the color and the different variations which you feel good and which you feel comfortable colors you will be like most, you will be placed here. Excuse me. And also you try to apply here like a circle and whatever you want to animate you can apply. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.